The purpose of this video is twofold. First, to explain your first project, Getting Acquainted Classmate presentation, and second, to demonstrate a presentation option known as the paper slide. The purpose of this project is to interview a classmate to gather information and then create a presentation to help the rest of the class and teachers to get to know your partner. There are 6 steps to the process. In the first step, you are going to be asking questions of another person in this class. You will have a set of 32 questions to choose from. You will select 8 questions to ask. While you are asking questions and interviewing your classmate, you will be taking notes in order to gather information about this person. When you're finished asking your questions, you need to review your notes and rewrite any hard-to-read jottings. You should also add observations that you have of your classmate. What are your first impressions? What's their personality like? What makes them unique? During the entire process, you need to make sure that you are kind and appropriate. Also, while you're taking notes, you need to make sure that you include some quotes that your partner says. Remember that quotes are what someone says word for word. In step 2, you're going to take a look at your notes and you're going to make a list of positive character traits that you've seen in your classmate. Then you are going to select one positive trait to focus on. This is how you will introduce the classmate to our class. You will choose one word like unique, friendly, or you might choose a short phrase like hard worker or a loyal friend. Then you will create an introductory statement. So when you present, you'll start with a statement something like, "Today I'd like to introduce Kevin Weber, one of the most fascinating people I have met." Or, "Good afternoon. I'm going to tell you about Gabriela Martinez. She's a person I'd like to hang out with due to her adventurous spirit." Once you've determined the positive trait that you're going to focus upon, you are going to create some follow-up questions. This will allow you to focus in on the trait and gather more evidence. You will ask those questions to your partner and add them to your notes. Again, you're looking for open-ended questions that are going to help prove that that person demonstrates the character trait that you've selected. In step 3, you are going to begin to organize the information. You're going to start with a simple web. You'll select the one positive character trait that you are proving is demonstrated in your classmate, and then through your notes, you are listing 3 specific examples that demonstrate that, including maybe anecdotes or quotations to explain those examples. Once you have your simple web, you're going to move into a formal outline to help organize your ideas. This is where you'll decide which order to present your examples. In step 4, you are going to plan your presentation. Here's where you have some options. You can create a speech and come up in front of the class and just tell us about your classmate. Or you can create a video of you sharing about your classmate. Or you can do something like you see here with the paper slide. If you have another presentation idea, you can clear it with your teacher to create your own. In step 5, you're going to practice. You're going to practice and then you're going to practice some more. And finally, you are going to present to the class.